So let us start the session. Today we are going to start revision number 2 of chapter number 4, basic geometrical ideas. So let us see what topics we have covered in revision number 1. So we have completed this one. We have completed intersecting lines also, curves also, angles also, and polygons also. Now only 3 topics left: triangles, quadrilaterals, and circles. So let us start with the first topic of revision 2, triangles. So triangle is a polygon having 3 sides, right? In fact, it is the smallest polygon. So it is the smallest polygon. It is usually named by its vertices taken in either clockwise or anti-clockwise. ठीक है, इसको या तो ABC लिखेंगे या ACB भी लिख सकते हैं, clockwise और anti-clockwise. राइट. सो द सिंबल डेल्टा, इसको एक्चुअल में डेल्टा बोलते हैं, लेकिन बट हम लोग इसको एज अ ट्राइंगल रीड करेंगे, राइट. दिस सिंबल इज यूज टू डिनोट द वर्ड ट्राइंगल. And if we will use this symbol along with ABC, so how we will read triangle ABC, and these 3 points ABC are called its vertices. Okay, vertices. And AB, BC, AC, these are called sides of the triangle. So we have 3 sides in triangle and 3 vertices in triangle. An angle A, angle B, angle C, that is angle BAC, angle ABC, and angle ACB are 3 angles of triangle, right? And these 3 angles and 3 sides of a triangle taken together are called 6 elements or parts of the triangle. Now we'll see the regions of a triangle. So like angles, we have here also 3 regions. One is interior, exterior, and boundary, right? So first, interior region. So this is the diagram. This yellow colored part is interior of this triangle, interior region of the triangle. Point P lies in the interior, right? And this is the boundary, जो मैं भी मार्क कर रहा हूँ रेड कलर से. दिस इज द बाउंड्री, और पॉइंट Q जो है वो बाउंड्री में है. And this is the green part is the exterior part, and point S lies in the exterior part. And taken all this together, interior and boundary taken together, interior and boundary are called triangular region. Okay, so next is triangular region. The interior of the triangle ABC together with the boundary of triangle ABC is called triangular region. Now we'll see a question based on triangle 4.4 exercise. Draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Mark a point P in its interior and a point Q in its exterior. Is the point A in its exterior or in its interior? So कोई भी एक triangle draw कर सकते हैं हम लोग. मैं एक rough diagram अभी बना रहा हूँ. Right, this is ABC. Suppose ABC. एक point अंदर draw करेंगे, P mark करेंगे, और एक point बाहर draw करेंगे, इसको Q mark draw करेंगे, Q. Right. So this is the figure. P and Q. अब A कहाँ पर है? ना तो एक्सटीरियर में है ना इंटीरियर में. ये कहाँ पर है? ऑन द बाउंड्री, राइट. द पॉइंट A is not in the interior or in the exterior because it lies on the boundary of triangle ABC. Now the next question, identify 3 triangles in the figure. Write the names of 7 angles. Write the names of 6 line segments. Which 2 triangle have angle B as common? सो 3 ट्राइंगल्स देखो यहाँ पर. एक तो ए बी सी फुल हो गया. एक मिनट, मैं ऐसे दिखलाता हूँ, राइट. ए बी सी एंड अनदर इज ए बी डी, दिस वन, एंड द लास्ट वन इज ए सी डी, right? We can write ADC also, no problem. So this is the first answer. Now the second one, name of 7 angles. So 7 angles सबसे पहले देखो, मैं अब इसको पेन से ड्रॉ करता हूँ. This is the first angle, angle BAD, and this is the second angle, angle CAD, और यही पूरा फुल एंगल भी लिख सकता है, एंगल BAC, and this is angle ABD, and this is angle ACD, and this is angle ADB, and this is angle ADC. देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 angles. So angle BAC, angle BAD, angle CAD, angle ADB, angle ABD, angle ACD, and the last one is angle ADC. नाउ 6 लाइन सेगमेंट्स. अभी 6 लाइन सेगमेंट मैं इसको ऐसे दिखलाता हूँ, राइट. सो फर्स्ट वन इज ए बी, 1 2 3 4 बी डी, 5 सी डी और 6 ये फुल बी सी, राइट. Now the next one, which two triangles have the common angle B as common? So यहाँ पर देखो इन सब में common vertex दिख रहा है, देखो B, ये इन दोनों में. तो these two angles, angle ABC and angle ABD have angle B as common, right? Now we are moving toward the next topic, quadrilaterals. Quad का मतलब होता है 4, right? So quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides, having 4 sides. Right. The diagram, this diagram shows the quadrilateral bounded by the line segments AB, BC, CD, and DF. Okay, the point A, B, C, D, these points are called its vertices. And quadrilateral is named by listing its vertices either by clockwise or anti-clockwise. So हम लोग इसको read कर सकते हैं A, B, C, D और A, D, C, B. Zigzag read नहीं करेंगे. Zigzag मतलब A के बाद C, फिर B, फिर D, ऐसे read नहीं करेंगे. Either clockwise और anti-clockwise. And we can start from any vertex. कोई भी vertex से हम लोग start कर सकते हैं. इसको हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं C, B, A, D. Right. So clockwise, anti-clockwise हो गया, right? So A, B, C, D, B, C, D, A, D, C, B are so forth are the names of the same figure. But if you write like B, D, A, C, it is not correct. क्योंकि ये ना तो clockwise में ना anti-clockwise में, right? Now we are going to see sides, angles and diagonals of a quadrilateral. See, this is the figure. Here, the 4 line segment, that is AB, BC, CD or AD of quadrilateral. ठीक है, these line segments are called sides first, right? And 4 angles, angle A, angle B, angle A को हम लोग angle DAB लिख सकते हैं, angle B, ABC, this is angle C, BCD, and the last one angle D, angle ADC or CDA, right? So 4 angles are there, and the line segment joining the non-adjacent vertices. Non-adjacent, adjacent मतलब adjacent vertex उसको बोलते हैं जिसमें common side होता है. So यहाँ पे A और C non-adjacent vertex है, they are called opposite vertex. उन दोनों को join करोगे तो हम लोग को diagonal मिलेगा. So there are 2 diagonals, okay, AC and BD, right? Now we'll see adjacent sides and opposite sides, right? So 2 sides of a quadrilateral are said to be adjacent sides of the quadrilateral if they have one common endpoints, right? And 2 sides of a quadrilateral are said to be opposite sides of the quadrilateral if they do not have any common point. ठीक है, see example. देखो ध्यान से देखो, ये दोनों साइड, इसमें common point A है, so ये दोनों adjacent है, and this two common point is B, so these two are adjacent. Now this two common point is C, so these two are adjacent. Now in this two the common point is D, so like that we have 4 pairs. ठीक है, 4 pairs of adjacent sides. ये एक पेयर हो गया. Now this and this. Now we'll see how many sides which do not have a common point. So ये दोनों में कोई भी common point नहीं है, तो ये दोनों opposite side हो गया, and these two there is no common point, so there are 2 pairs of, और इसको बोलेंगे opposite sides. So there are 2 pairs of opposite sides, AD, BC and AB, DC, right? So adjacent sides, opposite sides हो गया. Now we'll see adjacent angles and opposite angles. So adjacent angles जिसमें एक common side होगा, opposite angles which do not have any common side, right? So see this figure, ये दोनों adjacent angles है, क्यों? क्योंकि AB common है, right? और ये दोनों adjacent angles है, why? Because BC is common. And these two are adjacent angles, why? Because CD is common. and these two are adjacent angles because AD is common, right? Now the two angles which do not have any common side are called opposite angles. So ये दोनों में कोई भी common नहीं है. Similarly, in these two also there is no common side. So two pairs of opposite sides, opposite angles, four pairs of adjacent angles, and two pairs of opposite sides, right? So now we are moving toward the regions of quadrilateral. So like angles and triangles, here also we have three regions: interior, exterior, boundary. So let us start with the interior part, the yellow colored part. Point P, Q, R lies in the interior of the quadrilateral, right? And the green shaded part is called exterior part. Point N, point L lies in the exterior of the uh, quadrilateral, right? Now the boundary part. Boundary means line segment के ऊपर जो points हैं, that means A, B, C, D. These 4 points are on the boundary. Okay, so these are the regions. Now quadrilateral region किसको बोलते हैं? The interior along with the boundary. Okay, the interior along with the boundary are called quadrilateral region. Now we'll see a few questions from exercise 4.5. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral PQRS. Draw its diagonals. Name them. Is the meeting point of the diagonals in the interior or exterior of the quadrilateral? First, we will draw the diagram. So PQRS is the rough sketch of a quadrilateral. अब इसका diagonals हम लोग draw करेंगे, ठीक है? दोनों diagonals. So diagonals क्या होता है? The line joining the opposite vertex, right? So यहाँ पे opposite vertex P और R है और Q और S है. So we are joining first PR, then QS. So both are intersecting at point O. Now diagonal PR and QS meet in the interior of the quadrilateral. ठीक है, ये पूछा एक्सटीरियर है कि इंटीरियर, और यहाँ पे पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ द डायगोनल्स इज O. वो भी इंटीरियर में, राइट? नाउ विल सी सेकंड क्वेश्चन. ड्रॉ अ रफ स्केच ऑफ ए क्वाड्रिलैटरल KLMN. State two pairs of opposite sides, two pairs of opposite angles, two pairs of adjacent sides, two pairs of adjacent angles. तो पहले तो एक रफ स्केच बना लिए. So first let us start with two pairs of opposite sides. So KLNM, next one KNLM. These are two pairs. Now next, two pairs of opposite angles. Angle K, angle M, 1, and angle N, angle L. Right. Now two pairs of adjacent sides. Adjacent side, first 4 pairs होते हैं, कोई भी 2 लिखना है. So I am writing KLLM first pair and NM KN या ML कोई भी लिख सकते हैं. Right. Now two pairs of adjacent angles. Angle K, angle L first pair, angle L, angle M second pair. Okay. 4 pairs होता है, उसमें कोई भी 2 pairs लिखना है. Right. Now we are moving toward the last topic, circles. One of the most important and familiar geometric figures is the circle. A circle is a simple closed figure क्योंकि ये intersect नहीं होता है. And all of whose points are at a same distance from the given point O in the same plane. और ये point O को बोलते हैं हम लोग center, right? Center of the circle. And since a circle has only one center, so you can name a circle by naming its center in this way. You can name circle with center O, right? And we come across hundreds of and thousands of circular shapes in our daily life, everyday life. You see many circular objects around you and in nature. You can see wheels, okay, wheels of bike, and 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, and clock. Clock is also in the form of circle, bangle, and sun, moon, and flower. Moon जब बोलेंगे तो full moon बोलेंगे, ठीक है, क्योंकि every day is not full moon. So flowers also, some flowers are some examples. Now we'll see figure. This is wheel, circular shape, clock, coin, and bangles, right? All these are the examples of circles. Now we are going to see the parts of the parts of a circle. First is radius. So radius is a line segment joining the center of circle to any point on the circle. देखो यहाँ पे सेंटर को अगर कोई भी पॉइंट्स हम लोग ज्वाइंट करेंगे, सो दिस रेड कलर मार्क इज द रेडियस OA. ठीक है, OA इज द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल. नाउ वी कैन नेम another pair also, right? Name two more radii. Radii is the plural of radius, right? So we can name it OP, OQ also. Now how many radii are there? Infinite. क्योंकि O से हम लोग infinite number of line segment draw कर सकते हैं, right? Now next is chord. Chord is a line segment joining any 2 point on the circle. कोई भी 2 point. यहाँ पे P और Q है, देखो ध्यान से. P and Q are the 2 points on the circle. So PQ is a chord. M and N on the circle. So MN is also the chord. ठीक है? Right. So name another chord. I already told PQ. Right? PQ हो गया. So PQ is a chord which passes through the center. उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग diameter. So diameter is the chord which passes through the center of the circle, and it is the longest chord of a circle. Okay. So PQ is the diameter. Now think about how many diameter we can make. Infinite, because infinite number of line segments can pass through one point, right? So diameter is the longest chord. Now we are moving toward the next part, that is circumference. Circumference, distance around a circle, is called circumference. See this figure, ये circular park है, right? तो circular park में जितना वो distance एक round में complete करेगा, that is the circumference of a circle, and it is called the perimeter of that circle. And one way to measure the circumference of a circular object is to wrap a piece of string around it. See this figure. उसको rounds wrap कर लो, फिर उसके बाद वो scale लेके measure कर लो. कोई भी, जैसे मैं एक पेन ले रहा हूँ, पेन में एक स्ट्रिंग रैप कर ली है, ठीक है, उसके बाद उसको लेके पेन स्केल के साथ में मेजर कर लो यूजिंग स्केल. सी दिस इज द फिगर. सो वी आर गेटिंग 2.4 हियर, 2.4. सो 2.4 centimeter is the circumference of this circular object, right? So this is the way to measure the circumference, and this is possible only for small things. बहुत बड़ा बड़ा सर्कल के लिए हम लोग नहीं कर सकते हैं, right? So next is secant. Secant is a line which intersects circle at 2 points. See, ये जो लाइन सेगमेंट है सर्कल को 2 पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है, पॉइंट A, पॉइंट B. So इसको बोलेंगे secant, right? A line which intersects or meets the circle at 2 distinct points is called a secant. In this figure, PQ is a line which intersects the circle at point A and B. Next is arc. Any part of the circle is called arc, right? So यहाँ पे देखो, ये वाला मैं एक part ले रहा हूँ इसका. So this part is called, the dark one is called arc. So we generally will name this arc by using 2 letters. So AB के ऊपर थोड़ा सा एक कर्व शेप में लिख लिए, जैसे यहाँ पे मैं लिख के बता रहा हूँ, AB ऐसा लिख के ऊपर से एक छोटा सा आर्क बना लो. So this is the notation of this arc. Okay. Sometimes we use 3 letters also. अगर 3 letters ले रहे हैं तो एक letter और बीच में use करना, that is ACB. Right. Next topic is semicircle. Now जो diameter जो होता है वो circle को 2 equal parts में divide करता है, and each part is called semicircle, right? So diameter divides a circle into 2 equal parts which are called semicircle. So this see this figure. AB is a diameter, and this diameter divides a circle into 2 equal parts. One is green, one is white, and this ACBOA, this continuous जो path जो मैं बता रहा हूँ, this is the green color, this is a semicircle. Okay. Another one is ADPOA, the white one, right? Now we'll see the next topic, segment. When we draw a chord is also divides the circle into 2 parts. Each part is called segment, right? सी दिस फिगर, यहाँ पे हम लोग ए बी एक का कॉर्ड ड्रॉ किए हैं। ये जो कॉर्ड है वो सर्कल को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहा है, एक छोटा पार्ट और एक बड़ा पार्ट। द स्मॉलर पार्ट इज कॉल्ड माइनर सेगमेंट एंड द लार्जर पार्ट इज कॉल्ड मेजर सेगमेंट, राइट? So smaller part is called minor segment and the larger part is called major segment. The chord also divides circumference of the two circles into two parts. See this circumference. This is the smaller arc and this is the larger arc. The smaller arc is called minor arc. The larger arc is called major arc. Right? Now we are moving to the next part, sector and quadrant. So sector is a part of circle enclosed by any two radii. See this part, green part. This is enclosed by two radii, OA or OB, along with one corresponding arc. The green color part is called sector. Okay, right. अगर ये सेक्टर में ये जो एंगल है अगर 90 डिग्री हो जाता है तो उसको क्वाड्रेंट बोलते हैं। और we can say that if the two radii makes a right angle at the center, then this sector is become quadrant, right? So this figure, see this figure, this is 90 degree and these two are radii, and this quadrant is called 1/4 of the circle, right? Now we'll see the region of a circle. Like triangle, angle, quadrilaterals, here also we have three parts, three regions. One is interior, exterior and boundary, right? So see this green portion is called interior, and here we have two points E and F, right? And the next figure, यहाँ पे देखो ये जो सर्कुलर पाथ है जिसमें M है और N है, इसको हम लोग बाउंड्री बोलेंगे, ठीक है? दो जितना सरकमफेरेंस वाला पार्ट होता है उसको बाउंड्री बोलेंगे, और यहाँ पे M और N जो है वो बाउंड्री में है। नेक्स्ट exterior, the green part, R and S, these are 2 points are on in the exterior part of the circle, right? Now we'll see some questions from last exercise, that is exercise 4.6. Find the figure, from the figure identify the center of the circle, 3 radii, diameter, chord, 2 points in the interior, a point in the exterior, sector and a segment, right? So let us start with the first one, center. Center is O. Next one, 3 radii. 3 radii, one is OA, OB and OC. These are 3 radii. Okay? Right. And the next one is diameter. Diameter यहाँ पे AC है, this one. Right. And the next one is chord. Chord is, we can write AC also chord. So but यहाँ पे मैं DE लिख रहा हूँ या ED. Next one, 2 points in the interior. One is P and another is center. Center is also in the interior, right? And the next one is a point in the exterior, Q, right? And the sector. Next one is sector. ये जो यहाँ जो ग्रे कलर का जो पार्ट दिख रहा है, this is sector, OAB. The shaded part is called the sector of this circle. And the last one is segment. Segment देखो यहाँ पर जो ग्रे कलर का shaded part मिल रहा है, the segment ED, shaded portion. This is first question. Now second question, is every diameter of a circle also a chord? Yes, diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Is every chord of a circle also a diameter? No, only the chord which passes through the center is called diameter. Other chords are not diameter. So first one is a yes and the second one is no. Right. So now we are moving toward the last question of this revision. Draw any circle and mark its center, a radius, a diameter, a sector, a segment, a point in its interior, a point in its exterior and arc. So एक रफ फिगर बना दी हम लोग. So यहाँ पे center है O, right? And next one is radius. Radius either OA, OB, OC, कोई भी एक लिख सकते हैं. So we are writing OB. The next one is diameter. Diameter is AB, this one. Okay. So next one, sector. Sector is this part. इसको shade कर लेते हैं. Yellow color shaded part, AOC. yellow shaded region, right? And the next one is point in its interior. इंटीरियर में L भी है और O भी है, सो कोई एक पॉइंट लिखना है, सो आई एम राइटिंग L. एक मिनट, सेगमेंट छूट गया, राइट? सेगमेंट. सो सेगमेंट देखो यहाँ पर ये वाला जो, दिस इज ऑल्सो ए कॉर्ड, जो डायमीटर है, दिस इज द लॉन्गेस्ट कॉर्ड एंड दिस इज द segment. See the green color part. Next is point in its interior. I already told L, and a point in its exterior is point M, and an arc. Arc कोई भी point, कोई भी arc लिख सकते हैं. यहाँ पे मैं ये वाला arc लिख रहा हूँ, the red color. ठीक है? So this is the last question of this revision. Now in the next revision we will start chapter number 5. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.